Good evening, everyone. I'm Leslie Adamy. Thank you for being with us this Friday night. At the top, some hope on the horizon in this battle against COVID-19. The City-County Health District reported 0 COVID-related deaths today. Our hospitals also staying below the high occupancy threshold. This as thousands of residents in the Coastal Bend are getting those COVID-19 vaccines. And tonight, new details of clinics in the works for next week. There's also a new hotline number for you to be aware of for registration. All of this in our top story tonight. So first, here's a look at the daily coronavirus numbers for Nueces County. The county reported 110 new cases today. That's going to bring the total number to just over 36,000 cases since March of last year. Again, very fortunately, there were no COVID-related deaths reported today. Currently, 154 people are in the hospital, 55 of those patients in the ICU battling the virus. The downward trend in new cases comes as Nueces County ramps up efforts to fully vaccinate residents. So far, more than 34,000 people have been given at least one dose of the vaccine. Public Health Director Annette Rodriguez says the next step is getting that second dose to all who need it.
You don't have to be so exact. It doesn't have to be 28 days after the first dose. It can be 4 days earlier than that. It could be 24 days after the first dose, and it could be up to 42 days after the first dose.
Thousands of first and second dose vaccines are expected to arrive to the county next week. The health district now waiting from the state as to what day exactly they will get here. Now, if they do all get here next week, the county will host 3 clinics, one for those getting their very first dose, the other 2 for people needing the second. So who all is that? Folks who got their first dose back on January 11th, 12th, 15th, or 16th out at the Robstown Fairgrounds, you are due for that second dose. For first timers, pre-registration is going to be required, and there is a new COVID hotline number for registration that goes live tomorrow morning beginning at 10 a.m. and that number is 361-561-1101. And we have all of this information already up online for you at KIIITV.com.